Ever wondered how AI systems solve complex problems without getting stuck in endless loops? Let's dive into the intelligent strategies that power these systems. Think of it as a puzzle solver with built-in shortcuts and a dynamic checklist for progress. Imagine navigating a vast tree of possibilities. But here's the catch: many branches lead nowhere. To avoid wasting time, AI uses pruning, a method to cut off unproductive paths. If a node, a decision point in the tree, repeatedly fails to improve or becomes too buggy, it's marked as terminal. It's like saying, this route isn't working, let's try something else. When the system expands a node, it doesn't guess blindly. It follows a structured three-step process. 1. Draft, create a basic solution, like sketching a rough draft of a program. 2. Debug, fix errors, ensuring the code runs correctly. 3. Improve, optimize performance, akin to refining a recipe for better results. The AI knows exactly which step to take next. If no solution exists, it drafts. If bugs persist, it debugs. If the code works but lacks efficiency, it improves. It's like a step-by-step checklist for refining ideas. But how does it know what's working? Enter verification, a scoring system evaluating each new node based on 3 criteria. Did it fix bugs? Does it outperform previous attempts? Did it meet specific improvement goals? This score acts like a report card, guiding the AI to prioritize the best options. These scores then backpropagate, like passing a trophy through the tree, so every node learns from the outcome. To tackle massive problems, the system uses parallel search. Think of it as a team of workers exploring different parts of the tree simultaneously. They share insights but work independently, making the process faster and smarter. It's a balance of persistence and efficiency, like a GPS that avoids dead ends while still finding the best route. Next time you see AI solving a tough problem, remember, it's not just guessing. It's following a clever roadmap designed to save time and maximize results. Now let's see these strategies in action through a groundbreaking example. ML Master, an AI system redefining how machines learn and improve. Researchers tested ML Master alongside other AI agents on tasks ranging from simple to super complex. The results: ML Master didn't just keep up, it shattered previous benchmarks. Here's the key takeaway. ML Master achieved a 29.3% success rate on average across all tasks, more than doubling the previous best. But its real strength lay in its evolution. Imagine a student who starts shaky but keeps practicing. That's ML Master. As it tackled problems, it refined its approach. Its solutions improved over time, like a chef perfecting a recipe through trial and error. What made this possible? ML Master uses adaptive memory, a system that doesn't just solve problems once but learns from every attempt. It combines ideas from different paths to find smarter solutions, enabling it to tackle tough challenges faster. Let's look at the numbers. On medium complexity tasks, ML Master solved 20.2% of challenges, a massive leap from earlier systems. For super difficult tasks, it hit 24.4%, like acing a tough exam after months of study. And here's the best part: it did all this in 12 hours, half the time others took. Why does this matter? AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to medical diagnostics. Systems like ML Master could accelerate innovation, making AI smarter and more reliable. But this isn't the end. Researchers are already testing how to scale this approach, especially in environments with multiple AI agents collaborating. So what's next? The future of AI lies in systems that don't just follow instructions, but learn and adapt like humans. ML Master is a big step in that direction. Stay tuned as we explore how these breakthroughs could reshape technology, science, and even everyday life. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI's next big ideas, hit subscribe. Let's keep exploring the future together. You know, it's wild to think that a system like ML Master could one day help us solve problems we haven't even imagined yet.